Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's understand today's LeetCode daily challenge problem. And the problem name is Palindrome partitioning. So in the problem it states that we are given a string. We need to partition the string such that every substring of that partition is a palindrome. And then we need to return all the possible palindrome partition of that string S. Now if you take an example, S is a b, so if you partition in such that way, so we are getting a and b. So this is a one possible partition where every substring is a palindrome. We can also partition in that position, also in second position. In that time also we are getting a and b, and a is also a palindrome and b is also partition. So this is a one of our answer. So let's understand how can we solve this problem. So we can say that from last few days LeetCode is giving the problem with topic backtracking. So this is also a one backtracking problem. Today I tell you how can you solve the backtracking problem easy way. So there is a simple pattern you need to follow while doing backtracking problem. So I will write down that a sample pattern that will help you to solve any kind of backtracking problem. Okay, so I have write down a sample template that will help you to understand that will help you to solve any kind of backtracking problem. So in backtracking problem there should be a kind of result that will be our answer, and there is a temp array that will be stored any store one of the result. In that case you can see that this is a one list of string that could be our that could be one of our answer, and that is a temp, and result is the whole list. And then we have a whether there should be given some array or string, and then I will like pass the index. So index will pass, I will at that while calling that helper function I will pass index as a 0. Then there will be some certain terminated condition, and when that condition arises, then I will add that temporary to our result string. Then what we'll do, I will simply that iterate the whole the array from the starting index, and from the starting index to whole and the length of that array. Then there will be some certain condition whether we should add that value to our temp variable or not. Then we will again pass that call that helper function with the next index. So here should be I plus 1, not index plus 1. So I will pass that I will call that helper function with that next index, and then we need to backtrack again. So for backtracking we need to remove that value from the temp list. So we need to remove the temp list. After all this iteration, if the result should be in answer should be in a result list or result variable, you can say. Now with this template I can write down that solution of the Palindrome partitioning. So here you can see that what should be the terminate condition. Terminate condition can be like if while continue partitioning. So if we reach end of the string, and then in that case we cannot do the further partitioning. In that case what I didn't do, I will simply add the temp to our result. So here condition should be if string if index equal to string dot length. In that case, so we here should be the temp is a temporary array list of string. So we will add that temporary array to our result list. So we will add that. here. So this could be our terminator condition. Now I will simply go to from index to string dot length and start I plus plus r. And then here we need to check one condition. So in that case we need to check whether the while do the partitioning, if that partitioning string is palindrome or not. So if I will check if in yeah, if whether that certain string, so this could be our one string, so this string partition palindrome or not. So string dot substring index comma I plus 1. So whether this string is palindrome, whether this string is palindrome or not. If it is palindrome, then we need to add that value to our temp variable. So we will add that string, will that substring to our temp list. So temp dot add s dot substring index comma I plus 1. Then we will call the helper function again as we do, and then we need to remove that there is a helper function we need to call again. Then we need to remove that value from that temp list. So here we just remove that temp. Here we just remove that temp. Yeah, we just remove that whatever we added in that string substring. We need to remove that value from the list. So this the value has been stored in the last index of that list. So we will remove that. So how can we remove? Just temp dot remove temp dot size minus 1. So this way we can remove this. So you can see that we can solve that this kind of backtracking problem easily following this pattern. So this is the way you can solve this palindrome partitioning problem. So I will also write down my solution in the comment section. Please check it out. And also if you like the solution, please subscribe my channel. Yeah, thank you.